Let's try a hands-on exercise. You provide a story, and the AI will write a summary. We import the OpenAI client library. We import OS to access environment variables. We read the OpenAI API key from your environment. We create an OpenAI client using your key. Challenge 1. Ask the AI to summarize a short story you provide. Prompt the user to type a short story that the AI will summarize. Call the AI chat completion method to create a summary. Specify the AI model to use for generating the summary. Define the messages sent to the AI, starting the list here. Provide the user role message with the content asking the AI to summarize the user's story. Close the chat completions create method call. Print the summary returned by the AI so you can see the result. Running the cell now. This output shows the AI's response to summarizing the user's short story, highlighting its ability to extract key details like location and main activities. Notice how the summary condenses the narrative while preserving essential elements, demonstrating the effectiveness of the chat completion method in generating concise text based on user input. This confirms that the code successfully sends the story to the AI and retrieves a relevant summary. Use different kinds of stories to see how the summaries change. Now, let's build a simple Python study assistant that answers your questions in a loop. We import the OpenAI client library. We import OS to access environment variables. We read the OpenAI API key from your environment. We create an OpenAI client using your key. This script is a Python study assistant running a question and answer loop. Ask a Python question, or type quit to stop. This starts an infinite loop to keep the assistant running until you decide to quit. Wait for the user to type a question and store the input. Check if the user typed quit, case insensitive, to stop the loop. If the user typed quit, print a goodbye message. Break out of the while loop and end the script after saying goodbye. Request a chat completion from the AI model, sending the user's question. Specify which AI model to use for generating the answer. Start the list of messages sent to the AI, here containing one message. Send the user's question as the content of the message with role user. Close the list of messages sent to the AI model. Close the API call function that creates the completion. Print the assistant followed by the AI-generated answer extracted from the response. Running the cell now. This output shows the dynamic response from an AI assistant, triggered by the Python code implementing a user Q&A loop with OpenAI's API. Notice how the assistant provides a clear, detailed explanation of the for loop concept in programming, including examples and summaries, highlighting how this interaction code enables real-time, contextual help through chat completions. The intent here is to demonstrate building an interactive Python study assistant that answers programming questions on demand. This is a great way for you to practice both your Python and AI skills.